Pew, pew, pew! Tomorrow? No, I haven't even started! Well, I mean, I tried to start. A couple of times, actually. But it was just weird. I mean, a girl falls down a rabbit hole? That's not even possible. Is it possible? No, definitely not possible. And then she's falling, and then that gives me major anxiety, and then she starts eating and drinking things, and she starts growing and shrinking, and it's just too much. I don't like it, and I don't want to read it. But I have to. I wish there was some way to read the story without reading the story. Is that cheating? I think it's cheating. I wish there was someone who could help me.
We can help you.
Whoa, who said that?
We did.
Who are you? Where are you?
We're the cast of Alice, Alice, Alice.
The what?
The cast of Alice, Alice, Alice.
Yeah, I heard that, but what does that mean?
We were in a production of Alice in Wonderland.
Well, sort of.
Hush, yes we were. It was just a short version.
A modern version.
And we went around performing it for people.
Until the coronavirus appeared.
And ruined everything.
It didn't ruin everything.
Well, we can't perform anymore.
He is right.
Yeah, I guess it did ruin that.
True, but I see an opportunity to perform it right now. Don't you?
Really?
Wait, are you gonna perform it for me? So I don't have to read it?
Sure, why not? You don't want to read it, and we do want to perform it.
Oh my gosh, this is the best. You guys are lifesavers.
This is so exciting.
I missed you guys so much.
I know! You remember that time we performed and a lizard came on stage?
Hold up, how long is this gonna take? Because my paper is due tomorrow and it's only 1 page long. So I don't have time for like the whole story. Can you just kind of like, you know, hit the highlights?
Wow, someone's lazy.
I'm sleepy.
Fine, we'll just hit the highlights.
Just like make sure you get all the characters in, all the big moments.
Right, the highlights. We got it.
Wait, are we not gonna talk about the fact that you all just appeared in my mind? Like, how was that even possible?
Look, do you want our help or not?
Yes.
Then don't ask questions.
Okay, but fine. I will just accept that a troupe of actors appeared in my mind to tell me this story so I wouldn't have to read it for my book report.
Should we really be condoning this?
Yeah, should we be encouraging her to read the book and to do her own work?
Hush. Do you want to perform or not?
Why don't we meet you halfway? Here, take a copy of our script, you flip through it, and read along while we act it for you.
Done. Wait, we don't have to do the whole thing, right?
Just trust us. We'll tell you what you need to know. Go ahead, start reading.
Okay, first page. Blah, blah, blah. This doesn't look important. Blah, blah, blah. Rabbit hole. That's a good place to start. Who's Alice?
Right here.
Cool. Okay. Alice found herself following an awfully flustered white rabbit down a rabbit hole.
Oh, my ears and whiskers. I'm late.
I'm falling!
Alice fell and fell and fell and fell and fell. Okay, we get it. She's falling. When does she land? Ah, here we go. Someone or something broke her fall, and she said,
Where am I?
Where are you?
Whoa, too creepy. Skip forward.
No!
Okay, fine. Sorry. Where are we?
Wonderland.
Right, duh, because it's Alice in
Wonderland!
Okay, fine, I get it. When do we meet some more characters? Ah, here we go. The Tweedles. Alice found Tweedledum and Tweedledee standing under a tree. Alice asked them,
Excuse me, what is the best way out of this rabbit hole?
and they replied,
I know what you're thinking about, but it isn't so, no how.
Contrary-wise, if it was so, it might be. And if it were so, it would be. But as it isn't, it ain't.
That's logic.
okay, no it's not. Let's move along.
No!
We haven't even sung our song yet.
There's a song.
Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush.
Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning.
This is the way we do the floss, do the floss, do.
Okay, there is no way that is actually in the story. Moving on. Get me away from these weird little Tweedle people. Ah, the Queen of Hearts. That sounds like fun.
Off with her head!
Nope, not that fun. Turn the page.
Off with her head!
But I need to know what happens.
Well, you didn't care that much about the Tweedles.
Okay, fine. But can you at least just tell me what happens?
The Queen of Hearts, she made some tarts all on a summer's day.
A thief did come to steal those tarts and took them quite away.
Oh, so she thinks you stole them.
Exactly.
Off with her head!
Well, why didn't you say so in the first place? Next.
Thank you.
Boo! That's my favorite part.
No time for favorite parts. I just need, well, the next part. And that part is advice from a caterpillar. Wait, a caterpillar?
A
Why do I get the feeling this is gonna take forever?
In this story, Alice was very small.
While the caterpillar was very large.
Wait, how did she get so small? How did he get so big? There's so many unanswered questions.
Who are you?
Well, I hardly know myself at present because I'm much smaller than my usual self, you see?
Who are you?
I'm afraid I can't put it more clearly.
Who are you?
Why don't you tell me who you are first?
Hold on, I feel like we're talking in circles here. Does this go on for much longer?
Unfortunately, yes.
Well, then I think I'm just gonna... No one's objecting? You're taking a nap? There's no time for naps.
Don't worry, it's a power nap.
That can't be in the story.
But it is in our script, and it will be over in 3, 2...
Why, thank you all so much for joining us. May we proceed?
Absolutely.
All rested up now.
Good thing, because the next part is the most energetic of all.
Here it comes.
Should I be scared?
Is it time?
I think it is.
It definitely is.
Tea time! I love tea!
Wait, tea time? No! We don't have time to keep taking breaks. We have to get back to the story.
It is part of the story.
How rude.
It really is. Just let them keep going. They'll be quick.
Fine.
There was a table set for tea, and at it sat a Mad Hatter.
The March Hare.
And a dormouse fast asleep.
Alice approached the table. They all yelled,
No room!
The Hatter kept yelling.
Change places!
and they all kept saying really rude things to me, like,
Would you like some tea? Well, there isn't any.
and then the March Hare and the Hatter got into an argument.
About what?
It was the best butter!
Well, that's lame.
And the Dormouse just sleeps through it all.
And what's the point? Does Alice ever figure out why she's at a rude tea party?
I think the main conclusion is,
We're all mad.
We're all
here.
mad
All
here.
mad here.
Cool. Moving on.
are you sure you want to move on?
Yeah, all that's left is the scariest part of all.
Really? This story gets scary? Well, cool. Yeah, then bring it on. What's next?
Okay, but it's like really, really scary. Just warning you.
Hey, I am ready for some excitement. Bring it.
You sure? I hope you like monsters, 'cause...
Monsters? Heck yeah, what kind of monster?
A Jabberwock!
Cool. What's a Jabberwock do?
You don't want to know.
Beware the Jabberwock, my son.
The jaws that bite, the claws that catch.
Beware the jub-jub bird and shun the frumious Bandersnatch.
All right, let's see him bite. Let's see those claws.
Believe me, you don't want to.
And as in uffish thought, he stood the Jabberwock with eyes aflame.
Came whiffling through the told you would.
And burbled as it came.
Okay, I'm still not getting a scary vibe here. Is this like a poetry monster?
It's just a major turning point in the story, okay?
How so?
The Jabberwock comes at me all scary-like, and I defeated him. He needs darkness to survive, and my brave and radiant light shone from within, and the Jabberwock disappeared into the dust and darkness.
Whoa, cool. Wait, so you're like a hero.
You could say that.
So wait, is that it? Is that really how the story ends?
Kinda.
It's how our version ends.
There's more than one version?
There are many versions and many more characters and stories in Alice's adventures.
Well, tell me more. I want all of them.
But you just wanted the highlights, remember?
But we were just getting started. Can't we do just a couple more?
You've got to work on your book report, remember?
So I think our work here is done.
But you can always go back and read the book.
Read the book?
Yes, I go through a lot of adventures in that book that you didn't really want to read.
Oh, but now I do. I want to know all of the adventures. Do you think I have time?
Maybe if you pull an all-nighter. In my opinion, it's always best to read the book.
Yeah, instead of cheating.
Hey, you offered. I didn't force you. You all just appeared. Still have questions about that, by the way.
Well, look at the time. We'll leave you to it. Looks like you've got lots of reading and writing to do.
So are you guys, like, available for other stories sometimes?
Listen, we do one play a year, and you just got lucky this time around.
Right. We're glad we could help. But like I said, just read the book next time. You never know what kind of adventures you'll miss if you don't.
Wow, thanks, guys. I really appreciate it. You know, I was just gonna use the highlights for my paper, but what the heck? I think I'm gonna dive into the whole book. Chapter 1.
You really think she'll make it through the whole book in time to write her report?
That's the power of a good book. Once you're hooked, you can't stop.
And we definitely hooked her by the end. Aw, you guys. This is the last time we get to tell this story together.
Well, at least we got to tell it one last time and inspire someone to learn more about the story and read the book.
Very true. Now, how do we get out of here?
What do you mean?
She didn't really know how we appeared, and well, neither do I.
Yeah, how do we get out of here?
Are we trapped here forever?
I know! The rabbit hole! I'll race you.
No, I'll race you.
I'm going first.
No, me!